Hello, I'm Debbie Peverell and you're listening to the weekly tip from painlessfinanciallearning.ca. Today I want to talk a little bit about credit standards. If you let your customers pay you later, then in effect you are a bank because you are advancing them credit for a time period. So many of us don't think about it like that. We don't think about the fact that we really should be applying the same standards that a bank would before you lend anybody any money. You do the work for someone and they're going to pay you later. What makes somebody worthy of that kind of credit? What do they have to have in order for you to decide that you're going to let them pay you later? Those of us in the service industry have a bigger problem because there's nothing we can repossess. Once you have done the work, provided your service, if you don't get paid, it's not like you can go back and repossess your time. You have lost that time forever. So you should be a little more careful. Use your best judgment when you're talking to somebody about their situation, and if you think that perhaps you might not get paid when you do the work, why don't you ask for some money up front? What is your policy about that? If you've got new customers, shouldn't you get money up front before you do any work, given that you can't repossess your time? Think about what your standards are. Does someone have to have a functioning credit card? Does someone have to have a certain credit score? What makes them worthy of you offering credit to your customers? You think about that, you may have fewer sales, but you'll also have fewer bad debts. Thanks very much for listening. I'm Debbie Peverell, and that was the weekly tip from painlessfinanciallearning.ca.